Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph housing market stats for June of 2020. It's amazing how quickly things have turned around with the real estate market, especially since the initial shutdowns of COVID-19. Now let's take a look at some of the key metrics. Median sales price was $589,000, which is up by 12.9% relative to June of 2019. Median days on market is now at 12 days, which is down by 3 days since the same time period last year. The total number of sales was 255, which is up by a staggering 19.2%, and the total number of listings was 222, which was relatively flat at a negative 0.3%. As you can see, relative to last June, inventory levels were relatively flat. With flat inventory and a 19% increase in sales volume, naturally there was a significant increase in the sale prices. Now, at first glance, it appears that buyers have awakened, they're ready to come out and they're ready to buy during the pandemic, and that sellers are still reluctant to list their homes during the pandemic, at this time anyways. Well, that doesn't tell the whole story, because when we look at the last month's stats, May 2020, relative to May, the June inventory levels were up by 47.3%. So the inventory levels have increased dramatically since May of this year. However, it just hasn't kept up with the momentum of the number of buyers that have entered or re-entered the market. It will be interesting to see how things play out in July. Will buyers become fatigued with the current market and having to compete with multiple offers on each of the different houses that they're bidding on? Or are sellers going to start listing their homes knowing that they could get top dollar in this market? Really, only time will tell, but either of these two scenarios would lead to a more balanced market. Now, if you're thinking about buying or selling, please feel free to reach out to me. It's a very interesting, dynamic market, and I'd be happy to have a discussion with you. Thanks a lot and have a great day.